So, I'm about to give birth in just a couple of weeks, and my business is still going to keep growing while I'm offline. Now, if your business isn't doing the same, then you'll want to stick around because in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm setting up my own content system that's going to keep bringing in traffic, leads, and sales to my business, even while I'm on maternity leave. Now, let's be honest, most content strategies today look something like this. You post daily on Instagram, sometimes even multiple times a day. You have to keep reaching out to people, all just to keep your business afloat. The other day, I was actually watching an Instagram reel from a very popular business mentor, and the business mentor actually said that if you're posting only one time a day on Instagram, that simply isn't enough anymore. And that got me thinking that that's not the type of business that I want to build for myself. Because what happens when you get sick, when you need to go away on vacation or somewhere else, or in my case, when you need to have a baby? Does your business just simply stop? And so that's what got me thinking that building an evergreen content system for your business is really the way to go in our modern age. Just to give you a bit of background on myself, so you know that you're talking to someone who knows a lot about content marketing. So I've been working in the content marketing space for over 6 years now. And during that time, I've worked with personal brands, small brands, large brands, you name it. And I've helped them to create YouTube videos and blog posts that keep on building their businesses over time. So in other words, if they post a YouTube video today, that YouTube video keeps working for them months or even years after posting it. Now, up to this point, I have been following a similar strategy in my own business, but I haven't fully gone all in. So what I've currently been doing is I have a YouTube channel that I have been building. And over the past 2 years, my YouTube channel has brought me in over 1,000 leads organically. So that's really cool. But now I do believe it's time for me to expand that. So in addition to posting one weekly YouTube video, what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start repurposing those YouTube videos into blog posts that can rank in Google and in AI. Plus, I'm going to start using my YouTube content for my other platforms. Now, step 1 of this content system is to start every single week with one YouTube video. So the types of YouTube videos that I typically post are videos that either bring people into my world. So these are what I call breakout videos. So they're the videos that can cast a wide net and bring in people into my business that may not even know about me yet, right? They are just people who are searching similar things on YouTube. And so YouTube's algorithm does its magic and it finds these people and shows them my content. So it introduces them to me. Now, I like to post either those kinds of videos or, like I said, evergreen YouTube videos, which are your more how-to tips-based videos that keep on bringing people into your world over time. As for how I'm going to create all of this content so quickly, so keep in mind, I'll be giving birth in a couple of weeks. So I need to record a lot of videos in a short amount of time. And so what I'm doing is I'm batch recording my videos as we speak. So this is actually the first video in my entire batch that I'm recording. And so I'll be recording several videos in one day. Today, I'm planning on recording 4 or 5 videos, depending on how much I get done. Now, the next step that you're going to want to follow is to turn these YouTube videos into blog posts. So I'm going to start doing this for my own business as well, because I have had clients who have done significantly well on their blogs. For example, one of my clients, we took her YouTube videos and we started to repurpose them to her blog posts. And what happened is after a while, she started to generate thousands of views to her website, in addition to all of the thousands of views that she was getting from her YouTube videos. And so I'll show you a screenshot here. She started to gain almost 12,000 views every single month from repurposed YouTube videos that turned into blog posts. Now, if you think about that, that is really extraordinary because it means that you're attracting an audience that likes both video and you're attracting an audience that likes reading. So once you have your YouTube video, it becomes really easy to repurpose your video into an actual blog post that can rank in Google and AI. And so you can get traffic from multiple sources. Now, step 3 that I'll be following is to turn these YouTube videos and blog posts into Instagram posts. I'm going to be honest, Instagram is not going to be a main focus of mine. It's rather going to be like a support channel. And so what I'm aiming is for 3 posts per week. We'll see if I manage that. If not, I'm just going to post like at least 2 posts a week just to keep my Instagram account up and running. During my maternity leave, of course. So these are going to be a combination of carousels as well as B-roll reels. I'm still considering doing talking reels, but to be honest with you, I don't want to bite off more than I can chew. And I know that talking reels sometimes takes a long time. Now, I've already recorded several B-roll clips that I can use for the B-roll reels. And I've also created carousel templates that I can use, and I can simply copy and paste information in there. As I use my own AI bot in ChatGPT that I created, which turns my YouTube video into multiple Instagram posts. Now, step 4 is I'm going to go ahead and also turn my YouTube videos into actual emails that I can send to my email list every single week. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and simply copy and paste the transcript to my emails because anyone can do that. What I'm talking about is strategic repurposing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take either a lesson that I teach inside my YouTube video or a story that I share inside my video, and I'm going to turn that into a highly engaging and valuable email for my email list. I'm also going to use ChatGPT and AI to help me write my emails. So once you start learning how to use ChatGPT properly and how to give it the right prompts, it becomes very useful because all of your emails are so valuable and engaging to your audience. And so you just need to make sure that when you write, for example, a ChatGPT prompt, you will tell it, hey, ChatGPT, I need you to please take this YouTube video script and turn it into a highly engaging and valuable email for my audience. I want you to use this part of my YouTube video, and here is some information about my audience just so you know how to connect with them. So giving it such a detailed prompt will give you much better results at the end of the day. The best part about this content system is that your YouTube videos and all of your content really becomes a funnel that people work through over time, right? So you start out with content that brings people into your world, which is what I call the awareness stage or the top of funnel stage. Then you have your consideration stage. This is the middle, so it's the middle of funnel, where people start to trust you more and they start looking at your specific solution to their problem. And finally, we get to the bottom of funnel, which is the conversion stage, where people decide to either download your freebie or to buy an offer from you. And so if you do this content system correctly, you'll be able to move people through this funnel until they become buying customers. Now, what's super exciting is I'm actually working on an offer as we speak, which is going to include all of the steps that I mentioned inside this video. I'm going to have a community where you can go through all of these steps to create your own content system. Plus, you're going to get access to my AI bots as I build them out. And so this offer is going to be incredible, and I am planning on launching it once I get back from maternity leave. But in the meantime, I have created a free 45-minute course called the One Video Marketing System that you can go ahead and access below. I've linked it in the description. And so this course shows you this process that I'm following in more detail. It shows you the one video marketing approach so that you can see exactly how everything is going to work, the steps that you'll need to take, etc., to create this system for yourself that can keep on working for you in the background even when you aren't working. Also, if you are an online business owner who is looking to start on YouTube but you have no idea like where to begin or how to approach it, I also created a different YouTube video. It's called the 90-day YouTube strategy for coaches and course creators. And so you can go ahead and watch that video next over over here if you want a detailed YouTube plan. Now, with that being said, I have a lot more videos to record, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.